We got off to a little bit of a slow start with this shock coilover. I started the project on the car on Tuesday, did 2 good full days. Wednesday was kind of slow, ran into an issue with the original boot here on this the passenger side of the car. This is the original dust cover, and it broke when I was pulling it off with the spring compressor, and then this material that was to absorb for see if I can get it, that was supposed to absorb for right here, just kind of broke off. So just decided to do a different setup. Got this kit that I showed you on one of the videos, just so it'll have the good get a little bounce joint here. So what we did was I used a cap from a Armor All tire foam, drilled a hole here, stuffed the little bounce joint on the inside there, you can see it, and it'll fit right over the shoulder right here. It'll fit nicely over that, fits nice and tight here, and we'll use a nice, might go with a slightly taller, and then that bottoms out there, we might use a little bit wider washer. And then once we get the spring compressed, that'll fit nicely there. So we should be in good shape. Wednesday just was it was kind of a bad day. Just took a long time to figure this out. Went to SeaWorld on or Thursday. I'm sorry. Took the day off. Went to SeaWorld yesterday on Friday, and hopefully they wrap this up pretty close today. And if not today, hopefully for sure on Monday. We'll see how it goes. Alright, kind of looks like we got the spring compressed enough. We'll take our 14mm socket and impact and put this nut where it belongs. Alright, so we finally got the strip put together. We got the new boot in here, and seemed to fit pretty well. Had it marked. We have the control arm assembly. We painted this part, looks much better. I'm going to stick it up in here, get it loosely attached with these studs here. Don't forget to replace this little bushing isolator up here, goes on top of that control arm. And once we get these started, we'll go ahead and put these bolts in loosely so everything lines up correctly. We'll bolt in the shock last.